You look kind of shady with that hat on right now. What do you have to say? No. Okay, so we found this dead bird on this porch. Okay.
And any camera pointing at us is a comfortable view,
So, tell me about Pedro the Dead Bird, how he came to be
well,
a dead bird.
we don't know the entire story, but we know of his demise. We know that a polar bear came and ate his tail. As he suffered and cried, an antelope mauled him.
An antelope?
Then the magic fish of the fairyland came, and, well, I think you know where the story goes there.
Oh God. Oh God.
Yes.
I think Pedro would have been from Utah.
Yes.
I think Mexico.
You're not in this documentary.
Where do you think Pedro came from?
Mexico.
Mexico?
Uh-huh.
Any
And
other?
why is that?
Because his name is Pedro.
But I think it would be funnier if his name was Pedro from Utah.
Yes, it was.
Why are you filming me?
We found a dead bird.
His name's Pedro.
Pedro.
That's Pedro the Dead Bird.
Come lick your camera.
Would you like to say anything further about Pedro, Luke?
Pedro Martinez.
Well,
That's a boy.
Pedro from Utah, and how the magical fish.
does that to say?
How do you know
God
it's
rest
not
his soul.
Pedro? Because it's a girl.
God rest his soul.
God rest his soul.
How do you know that's not a girl?
Amen.
People sing songs of good cheer, Christmas is here. Ding dong, ding dong, that is a song with joyful ring dong, caroling. Ding dong, ding dong, dong. Sweet silver bells all sing the same. Ding dong. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Gaily they ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Ding dong, ding dong, that is a song with joyful ring and all caroling. Ding dong, ding ding. Horses and dogs without end their joyful tone to every home.
Leigh,
Hey.
you're my sexy lady.
I know. Jake, move your hand.
I'm sorry, I'm having
We
to
have to-
censor this
We
video.
have to document our sexiness right now.
No, I'm
Stop,
censoring
stop.
the video.
That's a
No.